everyone, I'm Silva, the current president of Unides.
And I'm the Cosmo chair of Unides.
And what you can see behind us is our kickoff party. We're kicking off the start of Latinx Heritage Month here on campus. There's going to be a lot of events upcoming, the next one being Pasiones, celebrating Latinx literature, poetry, and a lot of Latinx authors. And we're also going to have a couple of other events like networking, knowing your voting rights. And we're going to end the month with a mural tour with none other than one of our Agnes alumni, Jamie Cambron. So stay tuned for a month full of fun and lots of events, culture, and heritage.
Hi everyone, welcome to our Latinx kickoff party. We're so excited to have you here. We're so excited to be here. I'm Victoria. I'm the current president of Unides, and these are my fellow exec members. None of this would have been possible without them, so give them a big round of applause.
VP. I'm Giselle, and this is Michelle.
I'm a current sophomore treasurer of Unides here at Agnes. I'm from Chicago and I'm Mexican, representing Mexico.
Okay, so now I'm going to introduce you guys to one of our vendors. She's from Agnes, so here she is. Hello, I was actually born in Mexico, but I grew up in Georgia, so I've been here for a long time now. This is my small business. I do a lot of crochet stuff, a mix of everything. I also do my own lip gloss. I'm really excited to be here and celebrate.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for staying with us. Thank you for coming and supporting us. We just want to let you know that we will be presenting the Keynote in about 15 minutes, so stick around.
Alright everybody, the time that you have been waiting for has finally arrived. Please come over to your nearest tree.
Hi, my name is Victoria, and I'm a junior at Agnes College who is double majoring in psychology and public health. The goals of Unides is to provide a sense of community for Latin American students and also to advocate on behalf of Latin American voting rights. In 2020, Hispanic youth became one of the largest voting blocs for the first time in history, and since then those numbers have expanded. However, a lot of Hispanic youth is still not registered to vote due to language disparities, so the purpose of this event is to provide those resources that you can come and get registered to vote. We are partnering with Galeo, who is a Hispanic voting rights organization, and we're also partnering with Fuerza, who is Stacey Abrams' voting rights org.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming. Welcome to our annual Pasiones event. This is an event hosted by Unides every year to celebrate Latinx artists, poets,
and overall Latinx literature, so we're very excited to have you all here.
Hi, I'm Genesis. I'm originally from New York City, Queens, New York, and I'm a first year, 2026. Today I shared a poem, my own poem called Stop Painting Me, and it's about how other people may enforce or place their ideas of you onto you when really it has nothing to do with you. People will place their ideas of what being Latina means to them onto me, such as being crazy or loud, and that's really just has nothing to do with me. Events like this, like a Latino poetry event, is so important because not only just because I'm Latina and I also consider myself a poet or like poetry, but to having a space to share such raw emotions and such a creative outlet is just so beautiful, and knowing that you're not alone with these feelings or in this perspective and that others share that with you. That's such an important space and practice to be able to do. Palatable colors is what you're looking for.
Hi, my name is Marissa Riles. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I am a junior year 2024. The poem I did was Exile by Julia Alvarez, and it is basically about how her family fled from Trujillo to New York City. There was a pile of poems on Trofeo Casio's desk, and I had taken a look at them, and I just shuffled them around a bit, and I saw Exile in big fat letters on the desk, and for some reason it called me. I could relate it to my family's stories, to my family's experiences, to things they were afraid of in 2016 when Trump got elected. Hearing stories that you can relate to yourself and to your ancestors, but knowing that they're from somebody else, knowing that they're from your sister Latinx peoples, you know, it's very important. Knowing the pain and the strength and the growth that we all share is something really powerful and motivating, especially when you're in a space where you don't exactly feel connected to everyone around you. It's a safe environment, and it was really important for me to attend today to recognize that again as I'm continuing through a really tough academic year.
Latinas Unides and the Latinx Heritage Month Planning Committee is so thankful to have shared this special month with the Agnes community. We are so glad that everyone was able to participate and celebrate Latinx culture on campus. And we are just very thankful with Agnes for giving us this space, for allowing us to share our culture, our traditions, and our heritage. And we hope that we're able to continue to do so for many years to come.
Gracias.